right, we got some more stuff from Lowe's. You'll have to kind of excuse the mess in the garage. I'm in the middle of doing the lift kit on the truck, but let's get into this stuff I got from Lowe's. All right, first up, I have some Lennox Sawzall blades. I'm assuming you can see that. Let me turn it this way and maybe. It says 16 piece. So that's, I don't know if I was too close or not, but that's pretty cool. All right, next up, we have a little Sawzall. What do they call it? A one-handed reciprocating saw. It's freaking awesome. I don't know if you've seen, yep, right there you've seen 5-year warranty. But if you buy Flex tools and register them before December, you get a lifetime warranty. I think you only get like 3 replacements on the battery, but it's a lifetime warranty on the tool and I believe the charger. So let's get into the next item. All right, next up we have, well, let's see. I'll show you the bottom because they put a sticker over the front. They're half-inch chuck rather, 2-speed hammer drill. That's awesome. So let's get these things open and I'll show you a little closer up. All right, now I'm going to show you this package one more time because it's got the sizes down here on the bottom. Now, I'm not going to open. Could you see that? I'm not going to open this yet because, believe it or not, it came with a blade, and I didn't know that. But let me know, the flex blade that it came with, the Sawzall, or these, which one's better? The Lennox or the flex one? Because I'm going to try to use it when I cut the, I got to cut part of the frame on my truck, or cross member part of the frame. So I'll either be using this blade or one of these blades or that blade. Hopefully it works. It's not a full-size Sawzall, but I'm working on the ground, so I figured this one would come in handy better. So let me show you it. Okay, here it is. As you can see, there's the flex blade. A little one-hand deal. Now, this does have, all you do is turn this like just a little bit, like a quarter turn, and the blade pops out. That's pretty neat. I like that. You don't have to worry about an Allen wrench or anything to take the blade out. In fact, if I can hold it up here, I'll show you. See what I mean? Usually the Allen wrench, the Allen key bolt goes in that hole. It's pretty simple. Not holding it up where you can see it on camera, but there. Pretty quick. It should work. It's got 2 lights. That'll come in handy underneath the truck, right? Where it's low light. And now, I didn't pay for this stuff. Lowe's sent this stuff to me to review. Well, except for the battery. I did pay for them. Now, this did not come with neither one of these tools. The Sawzall or the drill did not come with a free battery and charger like the other stuff that I got. I wish it would have, but it didn't. It's got a lockout too. You push that. I was like, why would it have a reverse? It's not. It's just a lockout for the trigger so you don't bump it. And if I would have looked at it a little better, it has a lock symbol on it. And unlock. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that or not. Right there. And on that side, you may or you may not. This thing is awesome. I like this. If anybody's ever had any experience with one of these, even if it's not the Flex brand, just this style, let me know how they work down there in the comments. Leave a comment. So let's get into the drill. Okay, first up, it comes with a little clip that you can put on it. It looks like maybe even a bit holder. I don't know if you can see that in that bag or not. Don't know if I'm going to put that on there or not on the drill. We'll see. Here's the drill, brushless hammer drill. Now I have a different brand hammer drill, but I wanted to get this one. This one's pretty cool. That's turbo. And that's speed 2, but that's normal. There's turbo. That's kind of awesome, ain't it? Pretty neat. Turbo. So far, I like it. We're going to see how it compares to the other one. Let me get the handle put on it. All right, I got the handle put on it. Just to show you, it just clamps over the top. I will say, this side, obviously, when you stick it over there and hook it, it hooked fine. But this side, when you tighten this up, it didn't really. I had to pull down on it as I was tightening it to get it to go in the groove where it's supposed to go, and it kind of popped. I don't know if it broke something or what it did, or if it just fell off the edge and went down in the groove where it's supposed to be. At least it is on the metal where the handle goes. It feels pretty sturdy. You can tell it's new. Speed 1. Speed 2. You can't really tell much difference, can you? Okay, now everybody knows about the settings on the drill. It's got the numbers, the clutch 1 through 23 or 24 or whatever it was. And then you got hammer mode, and you got hammer mode, drill mode, and screw mode. Everybody knows all them, right? Okay, now this little Sawzall, let's see, where did I see it at? The one-handed reciprocating saw. It says, I gotta get back to it. 1-inch stroke, counterbalance gearbox, spring-loaded keyless blade eject. That's what I was telling you. It says eject. I don't know. It says spring-loaded. I wonder if you just turn it, it'll pop the blade out. It might. I haven't tried that. But I'm gonna hold up the box where you can see all the specs on it. It says it's compact and lightweight. I'm assuming you can see all the stuff. And if you want to read it any longer, then just pause the video, right? This stuff is pretty awesome. Okay, like I said, I didn't pay for this stuff, the drill, the reciprocating saw, or the blades. They sent this stuff to me to review. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, Lowe's. And if anybody wants to get any of this stuff, just go down there and check the description. I was putting the stuff in the pinned comment, but for some reason the pinned comment links don't seem to work. I don't know why. It's weird. But just go to the description. You'll see a link to Lowe's to this stuff. Go check it out. It's awesome. If you don't mind, pick you up something. I would appreciate it. It helps out the channel a lot. And that Sawzall is going to come in handy in just probably tomorrow when I get back on the lift and saw. So thanks for watching. That's all I got for this one. I'll see you in the next one.